Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Donnie, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. And when we come back, I got the rocket. This is from Remo Hobby and courtesy of Cheerwing, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, guys. Donnie here, and hey, I got this rocket. And this is Remo Hobby, courtesy of Cheerwing. I just wanted to tell you guys I bashed this thing already, flipped it around. They're actually pretty good and it held right up. I didn't get to do the extent of the battery. I still having problems with my hip. Those who are subscribed to me already know that I had surgery and I fell ill recently, so I wanted this video out a little bit sooner. I'm sorry it's taken me so long. I've been really sick too. That's a whole nother story. But to get to this guy real quick, and plus two, a drone giveaway. Oh, not drone, 10 drones. So let's get to this first. This thing comes with the lithium ion battery. It's 1500 milliamps, 7.2 volts. So, you know, I didn't get to go, and I got at least 12 minutes out of this and it still had battery life. I had to call it quits because of my leg there, but this thing under the hood, I just wanted to show you guys real quick. It takes 4 key pins. I pop those off and the canopy comes right off, and here you go. This is the inside of it. You know, it isn't it's just spring shocks, so you guys can always go and put oil shocks on it later, which will help this out a lot better, so it won't be so bouncy. But you know, this thing did really good. I was pretty impressed. I like it. I'm gonna go and run it again and make some more videos. So another thing too is it came with the battery charger for 2 and 3S, so it's a nice battery charger there, balanced charger. And you got parts right here. You know, you got your parts for you know, taking the wheel on and off. So it's got the lug nut deal there, tool, and you got some extra key pins. And looks like you got an Allen wrench and an on and off switch you can plug into this. I didn't plug it in. I got it where you just plug in the battery and away you go. But you can go and actually plug this on and off switch in, so you have a button. But I always unplug the battery after I'm done anyways, so I really don't need to use it. Got a nice transmitter here. This one's pretty neat because, see, it's set on left hand. I could go and click this lever up here and slide it over. Now for right hand people, which I'm right handed, I just had it clicked over for my daughter. She was messing with it. So nothing else fancy on here. It's got a button to put it about 30% throttle, so it will constantly go. I'm not going to use that. I don't know why it would be on there. Maybe just so you don't have to hold the lever and you just kind of want to crawl around. I'm not too sure, but anyways, main reason why I'm doing this video, and I'm trying to get the energy for it, so trying to get my breath, being sick and all, guys, I apologize, is that we're going to have a 10 drone giveaway. So watch the bashing, and after this bashing video, stay tuned so you know what to do to win opportunity to win 10 mini drones, guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that bashing video. Now on to the 10 drone giveaway. This one is Firefly, and this one is UDI-RC. It's a U-46 mini drone. It's got altitude hold, and this is courtesy of Simstore and Cheerwing. They're doing the giveaway together. You can find them on Amazon. I'll leave their links in the descriptions. This thing's pretty fun. I took it for a flight. They sent me one. I tested it out, guys, and it works well. I went outside and it was really windy, probably about 6 miles an hour, and that's pretty windy for these. And you know, I don't suggest that. You guys all know that who's ever flown drones or these mini ones. You guys know not to be out there, but I tried it. I always like to try all these things in the wind, and it took a long time to get it down. The wind kept it way up there, and I thought it was gone, but I was able to finally pull it down after like 3 minutes or so. But once you're in a spot where there's no wind or you're indoors, it's an excellent flyer. So you guys are going to get a good product right here. So anyways, there's going to be 10 of these given away. So 10 of you are going to have a chance to win. The bad news about it is going to be only in the United States only, guys. Okay, because this is our first giveaway with these companies. So they want to try the United States first, and then maybe we can move on from there into bigger products. You know, you never know. So anyways, 10 of these are going to be given out. You must be a subscriber to my channel, okay? And you must have it unlocked. So it's going to be, I'm going to have the drawing. It's on February 9th, okay? And the winner needs to be picked out on February 9th, okay? And once they get picked, I'm going to do the random generator from the comments. So another rule too is to have the comments, just one comment per person, okay? And then on February 9th, you have to have your subscription list unlocked for me to see that you are a subscriber, okay? Because if you're not subscribed or that's locked, yeah, that's gonna be instant no winner. So I hate to do that, but same with the comments. If you got more than one comment on there, then it's going to be a disqualification as well. So, all right, guys. So please leave a comment, subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that bell, man. Hit that bell because on February 9th, I'm going to do the generator on the comments, and 10 of you guys are going to win. So only 10 people, and it's going to be one person per drone. So if you won already and your name comes up again, I'm going to pass that one off, and then I'm going to go and run it again, okay, guys? So that way each person, at least 10 people, different people, will have a chance to win. So, like I said, the United States only, guys, so good luck. And don't forget, February 9th, okay, guys? So, like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying and driving.